If Lucidchart is showing error 503, don't worry, because in most cases this is a temporary server issue or a browser-related problem that you can fix with a few simple steps. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective ways to fix Lucidchart error 503, so you can get back to editing your diagrams without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, it's important to understand what error 503 actually means. A 503 error usually means the service is temporarily unavailable. That can happen when Lucidchart is under heavy traffic, going through maintenance, or having a short-term outage on their end. But if the issue keeps happening, then the problem may be coming from your browser, your network, your VPN, or even the document itself. The first thing you should do is check the Lucid status page. Before changing anything on your device, make sure the issue is not site-wide. If Lucidchart is currently experiencing an outage or scheduled maintenance, there may be nothing wrong on your side at all. Just open the official Lucid status page and look for any active incidents. If there's a known outage, the best solution is usually to wait until the service is restored. If Lucidchart looks fine, the next step is to perform a hard refresh. Sometimes your browser stores a temporary version of the page that includes a glitch or outdated data. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl and F5 or Shift and F5. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Enter. This forces the browser to reload the page from scratch instead of using cached files. After that, go back to Lucidchart and see if the document opens normally. If the error is still there, try opening Lucidchart in an incognito or private window. Browser extensions can sometimes interfere with Lucidchart scripts, especially ad blockers, privacy extensions, or security tools. Open a private browsing window, sign in again, and try accessing the same document. If Lucidchart works in incognito mode, that usually means one of your extensions or browser settings is causing the problem. Now let's clear the cache and cookies, because corrupted or outdated browser data can absolutely trigger repeated HTTP errors like this. In Chrome, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Then select cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. Set the time range to all time, then click Clear Data. Once that's done, close your browser completely, reopen it, sign back into Lucidchart, and test the document again. This step solves a lot of stubborn loading issues. If you're still getting error 503, the next thing to check is your VPN or network connection. VPNs, workplace firewalls, and strict networks can sometimes filter requests in a way that blocks normal cloud traffic. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and try again. You can also switch to a different network, like a mobile hotspot, to see if the issue is caused by your current internet connection. If Lucidchart loads on a different network, then you've likely found the source of the problem. Another thing you can try is disabling hardware acceleration or WebGL if the problem seems tied to a specific document. If a large or complex diagram is causing the issue, your browser or graphics processing may be struggling to render it properly. In Lucidchart, open the document, go to More, then View, then Rendering. From there, uncheck Use WebGL and reload the diagram. This can help if the error only happens with one heavy file instead of every document. If none of those steps work, try logging out of Lucidchart and logging back in after a fresh browser restart. Also make sure your browser is fully updated, because older versions can sometimes have compatibility issues with web apps like Lucidchart. A browser update combined with a restart can often resolve hidden loading conflicts. So to recap, the fastest way to fix Lucidchart error 503 is to check the status page, hard refresh the browser, test in incognito mode, clear cache and cookies, disable VPN or switch networks, and then turn off WebGL if the issue is tied to one document. These steps cover the most common causes and usually get Lucidchart working again. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.